Bab Qiyam Laylatul Qadr min al-Iman. Chapter. To establish the nawafil voluntary prayers on the night of a Qadr is a part of faith. حدثنا أبو اليمان قال أخبرنا شعيب قال حدثنا أبو الزناد عن الأعرج عن أبي هريرة قال قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم من يقم ليلة القدر إيمانا واحتسابا غفر له ما تقدم من ذنبه. Narrated Abu Huraira Raziyallahu anhu, Allah's Messenger, peace be upon him, said, whoever establishes the prayers on the night of Qadr out of sincere faith and hoping to attain Allah's rewards, not to show off, then all his past sins will be forgiven. Al-Shaykh Hafiz Muhammad Iqbal, may Allah protect him, has compiled the verification of this hadith. In various books on this subject, he found a total of 89 narrations from Abu Huraira Raziyallahu anhu. The references for these hadiths are being documented in detail.
Thank you for visiting our Sirat Mustaqeem channel. To listen to the English translations of hadiths from Sahih Bukhari, where the sayings of all the narrators have been compiled along with their references, kindly subscribe to our channel. Jazakallah khair.